In today's episode, we'll cover how to monetize your email list. The number one way to monetize your email list is by promoting your products and services regularly in each email. So far, in recent episodes, we've covered 1. Build an email list for effortless business growth. 2. Email autoresponder setup for massive email list growth. 3. Email list growth strategies. 4. Elements of profitable email. If you missed any of those, click the link below to catch up. Your objective is to motivate your subscribers to go from loyal readers to buyers and finally repeat buyers. The first purchase requires a little nudge. I refer to this first purchase offer as a trigger offer. To learn more about how to convert your subscribers into customers quickly and efficiently, see my Funnel Vision Method book on our website at www.dollyam.com. It's been proven time and time again that once someone has bought from you once, they become much more likely to do so again in the future. And it doesn't matter if their first purchase is 1 cent. The reason for this phenomenon has to do with a subtle psychological shift in their relationship with you. Specifically, providing the first purchase is a great experience. They'll have to overcome any uncertainty they have about doing business with you. This makes purchasing more expensive products and services from you easier. Also, their order details will likely be saved with your checkout system. And buying again will require much less of a psychological hurdle as a result. So how do you give that little nudge? In result, making first-time buyers out of your new subscribers so you rapidly monetize your email list. The most important factor in your strategy here is your call to action. That is, each email that sells your product or service needs to have an offer with clear instructions on how to claim it. An example might sound something like this. But why wait? Click pre-order now, and you can be among the first to take advantage of this great offer. Or see why so many customers choose fill in the blank for your company or your product name. Click buy now and get your hands on this fantastic product or service. So see, included in your call to action should be a direct link to your checkout page. A checkout page designed to make it easy for people to enter their details and purchase. Remember, everyone on the internet is in a hurry and trust is a big issue. These are big barriers to sale that prevent people from making impulse purchases. It's your job to remove these barriers so you can monetize your email list easily and quickly. For instance, the buy with one click button on Amazon. When you think back to your own Amazon shopping history, can you remember buying as a result of this one click button? Another barrier to sale when it comes to email marketing, actually really any form of sales, is our fear of loss. Put simply, humans are psychologically programmed to be more adverse to losing things than they're to gaining them. For instance, some concerns your subscribers might share, preventing them from acting on your offers might be, is this transaction secure? What if the product is of poor quality? What if I regret buying this item? See, your job is to remove the element of risk and doubt for your subscribers to buy quickly and easily. Therefore, you monetize your email list effortlessly. One way to accomplish this is to offer a free trial. Another more common strategy is to offer a 100% money-back guarantee. While that may seem like a risk to you, it's important to remember that people very rarely request their money back. And even if they do, the increase in sales that a guarantee can earn you will often make up for any loss. To increase the likelihood of your promotion being successful, build anticipation for upcoming products, events, and services. You do this by releasing pre-content to educate your subscribers about the promotion several days before you run it. Plus, let your email list feel like real insiders by giving them news of your promotion before you announce it via other channels, say Facebook. And then offer your subscribers discounts and special offers, or even the chance to get involved in the creation or naming of your new products and services. Special offers are fantastic because they have a limited time frame, which encourages people to act impulsively. Remember, emotion is much more likely to drive sales than logic, and emotion is impulsive, kind of like the peanuts you bought last minute upon checkout at the store yesterday. You don't think about it, you just buy it quickly. Special offers give your subscribers the excuse they need to convince themselves to buy now, on impulse, rather than to wait and reflect on whether they really need your product. Don't let them mull your offers over, ever again. Give them every incentive possible to buy immediately. Another helpful tip is encourage feedback and to interact with your subscribers when you email them. Letting your subscribers feel involved will make them much more loyal to your brand. That's why platforms like Kickstarter are so successful. A community is an incredibly powerful marketing tool for any business. So, do whatever you can to nurture one. It'll make it that much easier to monetize your email list. Most importantly, remember your value proposition. Remember what your product service means to your subscribers. You want to sell the sizzle, not the steak. In other words, you want to express the benefits of using your product or services by using compelling narrative copy that paints a picture. You don't sell hats, you sell warm heads and stylish looks. To conclude, communicating your value proposition in your copy and making it easy for your subscribers to act on great offers is the key to successfully monetize your email list. If you're enjoying the content so far and you'd like to take the guesswork out of growing your business online, then click the link below to get the ultimate shortcut.